The Unity Project is a temporary art installation that's created through participation that's open to everyone. This is a project that was created by the CEO of Vesence Corporation, Nancy Belmont, and she made this sort of like an open source art project that communities around the world have now participated and made their own. So the Unity Project consists of 32 polls, and each of those polls has an identifier, such as I am a first-generation American, or I like to read books, or I grew up on a farm. And everyone starts in the center and then wraps around each of the identifiers that they personally identify with, and everybody ends together at the 30-second poll that is then open, where everyone can share one that perhaps wasn't included in the 32. So the idea here is that each of the polls represents something that we are all connected to, and we create an interconnected web and canopy through this colorful yarn, that each strand of yarn really represents an individual, and thus being that our community is a more interconnected and interesting place because of our diversity. So the indicators they came with the project, and then the planning team came up with a few extras, and then we also engaged some kids at the youth center at the Clark Street Community School and came up with a few more, and then narrowed it down to the ones that we thought that were the most interesting for Middleton. So the folks that have participated so far in the project are exactly who we see at the library on a daily basis, just about everybody. We have had families with young children and babies, we've had grandparents with their grandkids, we've had same-sex couples, we've had folks from out of town visiting, people from different walks of life, different nationalities. It's open to everyone. So we have been asking people if they want to participate as they're walking by. Some people saw some of the promotional materials and planned an outing specifically for this. Some people have been walking by and seeing these poles in the ground for a few weeks, wondering what's going on. And then when they see the project being constructed, they want to be a part of it. I hope that people get out of this project a real visualization for how interconnected we all really are, and that the divisiveness and the divisive rhetoric that we hear on a daily basis from a variety of different perspectives is really just a construct that we don't have to buy into. We can choose how we view ourselves and our community, and when we do that from a place of inclusiveness and a place of equity, it creates a stronger, more diverse and interesting, interconnected place to be.